Very good morning to one and all gathered here. Today's topic will be on drone and IoT under that unit drone and IoT in agriculture engineering. This is the topic which I have picked from the subject automation techniques in agriculture engineering. Before going into the session, I'd like to have some small recap at the previous topic, that is user interface analysis under unit 4. As you all know, what is user interface? That is where we are going to give away our comments and where we are going to do some analysis in order to design and make the workflow easier for the farmers or the end users who's going to use our software. So today we are going to see about the newer technology, that is drone, as everyone are very much impressed that what is drone, right? Drones have been around for a very long time and it is very interesting to see the users. That is, initially we were using them for only capturing the videos, that is for using in aerial photography, but nowadays we have applications in a n number of varieties, that is Internet of Things, dreams. Drones are initially have been used as a fun toys and many people have been using them as a hobby, but nowadays they are trying to use them as a critical mission and business application unit, which is used as a professional drones, which will help them to do their work in a very easier manner. Nowadays we can also see some drones as a usage as sports photography to science research, military missions, and also in medical purposes. And today we are going to try them to use them as an agriculture drones. So this is a small picture. And how does it work? With the help of an IoT setting, the drone is always capable of creating a mobile sensor to gather the data and relay it back to the cloud app, so that we can gather the data which are available in the drone app and analyze it, and then we could use them as whatever we could do. Initially we were trying to use them as a remote inspection device in order to maintain the endpoints and the other components. So working drones versus hobby drones. Working drones are nothing but which are used for the professional mode, that is in military area or an agricultural field or in remote sensing, where the data are gathered and that has to be interpreted into the data which will be useful for us to develop an app. Whereas the hobby drones is somewhat which have been used for only for aerial photography and just for flying them, and some drones has to follow certain rules and regulations under the aviation considerations. That is, it is important to fly responsibly if we are going to own and operate a private drone, and also we have to follow the rules and regulations that has to be applied every type of personal drones except a fun toy. Other than that of the fun toy, if we are in need of using a professional drone, we have to ensure that we are following the rules and regulations that has to be capable of. So these are the topic which I have tried to say today, and tomorrow we will say the next future topic, that is what could be the rules. Rules, as I have said before itself, that rules never fly over group of people, and it is an emergency response, then we have to follow them. Working drones are used in IoT applications similarly for a key differentiators, that is professional drones are important task for using them in a commercial, industrial and military missions. Nowadays we are trying to use them in agricultural applications too. So these are the components. The drone has a radio, GPS, location for information and data transfer, video and still cameras for recording positioning of object and people, light and height heat temperature sensors are loaded, ability to carry and deliver the payloads, ability to distribute seeds, and solar panels for recharging the battery life. These are necessary for us to maintain the battery life of the drones. So this is the basic introduction on drone. Tomorrow we will have the other topic. Thank you.